In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WordPress website with Hostgator. Setting up your very own website can seem like a daunting task, but with Hostgator, the process is surprisingly straightforward. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Hostgator website. If you're new to this platform, Hostgator is a popular web hosting service known for its reliability and ease of use, making it a great choice for building your WordPress site. Once you're at their homepage, the next step is to sign into your HostGator account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so. It's pretty straightforward and all the prompts are easy to follow. After you've signed in, you'll want to navigate to the HostGator homepage. This is your main dashboard where you'll find all the options and tools available to you. Look for the section marked Website and click on it. Now this is where the magic begins. You're about to take the first steps in creating your own website. Next, you're going to click on the Add Site button. This option allows you to set up a brand new website from scratch. HostGator provides a convenient way to handle new site setups, making it simple even for beginners. This will take you to a new screen, prompting you to choose a type of site you want to build. Here you are going to select Install WordPress. WordPress is the most popular content management system in the world, powering millions of websites with its flexible options and user-friendly interface. Now, as you click Install WordPress, HostGator will handle the technical side of things, like setting up databases and configuring necessary files. It's all done for you in the background, so you don't have to worry about any complicated setup processes. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a confirmation, and you can start customizing your site right away. You'll be able to pick a theme, add plugins, and manage your site's content easily through the WordPress dashboard, which is now accessible from your HostGator account. And that's it. In just a few steps, we went from the HostGator homepage to installing WordPress, ready to create a beautiful website. Remember, the key to building a great site is to explore and experiment with different themes and plugins to find what works best for you. HostGator makes that exploration process easy and manageable. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a professional website, these basics will undoubtedly set you on the right path to achieving your goals. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.